Hello everybody, welcome to this introduction video. I would like to show you how to use the eSense muscle web application with a better graphic unit if you have the NVIDIA or ATI graphic card. Um, if you are owning the eSense muscle and using the eSense muscle web app, you are using this web application on esense-muscle.com where you find the desktop and mobile build and an introduction video. And for beta testers, there are also an experimental version of the desktop and mobile build. The desktop build is mostly used under Windows, and it is used in a Google Chrome browser due to our recommendation. So let me show you if you have this Google Chrome browser, how you can force Windows to use it with your high-speed graphic card and not with your internal CPU graphic unit like the Intel Ultra HD, for example. To do so, you first need to close the Chrome browser completely and go to Windows Settings. I'm doing this now here in my German Windows, but anyway, it's the same in English. You go to Screen Settings, and here you have the graphic settings. And the graphic settings in here, you have some option here at the bottom where you can add any kind of desktop app. And for this desktop app, I already added here the Chrome and the Edge browser. You have the option to choose in between an energy saving mode where the Intel Ultra HD graphic unit, this is my internal graphic unit here, is used, or for high speed and high power, the GPU, the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 I have here. So I choose, of course, high speed and save this. And so if you want to have these entries here, you need to search and you look at your path to the Google Chrome. It's typically programs, Google Chrome application. And then there's a chrome.exe file. You choose this, you add this here, and then you can choose by options which one to use. And once you've done that, you have always assigned your better graphic card to be used with the Intel, with the Chrome browser. And this works like this under Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you have Windows 7 or Windows 8, I think you do it using the NVIDIA system control panel. And here there's a setting, a 3D setting, where you are able to choose a particular program and select it here. Here you have the Google Chrome exe, and here I have the setting to choose in between NVIDIA high quality graphic processor or the internal graphic unit. Yeah, so it's the same way here you do it. You can do it here, and here it's written that this hint says that the Windows operating system is now doing this option. So when I click here, I'm again in the graphic settings and where I just showed you. So under Windows 10 and 11, it's done here, and this is overwritten. This overrides this setting here. And under Windows 7 and 8, you do it still here. And if you have an ATI graphic card, then you do it in the ATI system control panel. There's a similar option to choose particular programs here from a list. And for each program, you can define which graphic unit should be used. Okay, that's it. And I hope you like this little demo introduction, and please do the setting. It's a much better performance with the high quality graphic card than with the internal graphic card. So you will always have a very smooth experience using the eSense muscle, even in full screen on a high resolution with the games we have there. Thank you very much for listening, and yeah, enjoy the eSense muscle. Thank you.